Hey guys!
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey
guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm joined with my darling of a friend, Jazzy Rain. You guys already know her. She's always on my channel. We're gonna be filming a little Q&A just because I haven't done one of these in a while, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna call Jazzy, tell her that we're filming, and drag her ass to my house.
I'm here.
I kidnapped her. As I always do, I asked you guys to ask me questions on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, you definitely should. I'll also leave Jazzy's Instagram down below. But, you know what? Let's just dive right into the Q&A. The first question I screenshotted was favorite place to shop. By the way, I freaking love you. I freaking love you too. My favorite place to shop, honestly, I haven't gone shopping in a really long time. But like if I had to pick, it would definitely be Princess Polly or Urban.
Yeah, I was gonna say Urban.
Urban Outfitters.
They honestly just have everything.
Yeah. Next question is, do you plan on going to college outside of the US?
Yes.
If I can, then yes. But if I can't, then obviously no. I mean, I would definitely want to study abroad in like, I don't know, Paris or London. But if it's just not possible, then New York would be my go-to place. What about you?
Well, basically just want to go to New York. Like, do I really want to go to Paris? I'd go to London, actually. I would.
Because like going to London would be easier since you already speak the language. Like it's not any different. Where do you get most of your jewelry from? Girl, this is my favorite question. I have a few places that I like to get jewelry from. First place is Princess Polly. Second is Topshop. They have really nice stuff, although it's a little overpriced. Well, I have a little surprise that you guys, I've been talking about the surprise for a while, but I believe that I'm going to be able to talk about it in November, so stay tuned for that month.
Yes.
But how do you like the surprise that I'm not gonna
I
say?
like the surprise that she's not gonna say.
It's
I like
good.
it.
It's good. It's
Good.
funny because I've been seeing the same designs that I created like all the way back in summer, like on people right now.
Yeah.
Do you plan on going to college, or do you see yourself focusing more on modeling?
I'd like to go to college.
Yeah, I want to go to college. I wouldn't like stop going to college for modeling. You can't be a model if you're short, which is what I am. So I don't think that's gonna go on for a while. How do you deal with stress?
I don't. I just stress out.
Yeah, we
and
just
cry.
have little anxiety attacks.
When I'm stressed, I like to cry a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like
I just get so frustrated and I cry.
when I'm stressed, like I'm too stressed to cry. Like crying, like even if I do, like it doesn't like do anything. Usually I'm stressed because I'm like really overwhelmed, and like I'm overwhelmed when I have a lot to do and I don't have time to do it. So like crying is not gonna fix that. Like it's just gonna waste my time. So like I just have to pull myself to
find solutions to my stress.
Yeah, it's just you just have to just say like, oh, you gotta pull through this. Today is the only day you're gonna be doing this, even though it's false. It happens the next day, but you just gotta tell yourself that, and then just say you gotta push through it and get it done. Advice on high school. I actually filmed a whole video on this, so you can watch that if you want. But what's like your top 3 main advices that you could give?
So high school is not anything it seems to be. So when you get there, it's a joke. Like it's just really stressful, and there's so much work and like effort that you have to put in there. The second you slip, like things go bad.
Yeah.
Like so bad.
If you miss a day of school, at least at our school, it's like you missed a year.
Yeah, like you basically are now gonna fail that class.
That's her advice. My advice is, honestly, just think of high school as something that you have to do, which you do. Just don't focus on anything else, and just focus your 4 years on yourself and school, and then just get through it. That's like all I'm doing right now. You need to tell yourself that you can't like back out of it. Like you're not gonna be a high school dropout. How do you feel motivated to work out? I need to tell you them something. A little something that sounds like I haven't worked out in like 4 months.
I mean, we do like little mini workouts at school,
But like,
does that really do anything?
Since sophomore year started, it's just I have not had time to even watch an episode of Netflix. Like,
Yeah.
I don't have time. Like, you describe them my schedule when I come home.
Home, either editing, homework, essays that aren't even done, projects on English, on papers, on bleh. Bleh, bleh,
That's
bleh.
my life. Like, I literally, and like when I finish my homework at 7 and I'm like, whoa, whoa. And I go to tell my mom and she's like, oh my god, you finished your homework at 7? I don't finish homework till like 9. Then I have YouTube on top of that, and it just really, like, especially right now, like, it's just so hard to cope with it, but at the same time, like, I just have to.
Do you ever feel insecure about how you look? If so, how do you overcome your insecurities?
I think we all have insecurities. Remind yourself that you can't do anything about it. Like, sure, you can put makeup on. I mean, sure, you can get plastic surgery, but like, is it really worth it? Is it really worth putting
like,
pins and needles and weird
knives,
tools,
and squishy clear thingies into your body?
Like, do you really want to go through that? Like, I don't know. To me, it just seems pointless. Everyone is unique in their own way, so
And
there's no reason to change it. Yeah.
Why do you all want to look alike?
Yeah, exactly. Why does
Like,
everyone...
small pinched nose, big lips, big eyes, long eyelashes. Like, do you all want to look the same?
Exactly. You look like a Bratz doll. Like, I love that. Do you have a relationship?
Yeah.
We've been married. You tell them how many months?
2 years, actually.
Years. We don't have relationships.
Darn.
Describe your fans in 3 words. I thought this was a fun question. Definitely,
Cute, sassy, smart.
definitely loyal and very supportive and very loving. There you go. 3 words for you.
Perfect.
Wow.
You did it.
Favorite songs at the moment?
Boom, Spotify.
Apple Music. I really like Missing My Idols by Trippie Redd. I like Oomp's Revenge by him. Mess by Lil Wayne. And Dedicate by Lil Wayne.
I'm really into Mike Snow. He has some good songs.
Those are my favorite songs at the moment. What's your least favorite thing about being a YouTuber? The pressure that comes with it. The pressure of having to upload every week, and the pressure of uploading the best video that you can.
Can't relate.
That pressure is just really
Hitting hard.
hitting hard. What makes you always motivated?
You just have to like think about your future, think about where you want to end up.
As you get older, this like matters even more, because like that's when you start, you know, like, getting into the real world. So you gotta like keep thinking about the future, at least keep it somewhere in your head, like a little corner.
Yeah.
Also, with just like general motivation, I find it really motivating to go to bed at the end of the day, like knowing that you completed everything, knowing that you did everything like to your best ability. What's your dream car? I'm past 15 and a half, which means that I could have gotten my permit, and I'm actually doing that process now, and I'm actually filming everything that I'm doing, so it's going to be like a very long vlog of how I got my permit, because I've seen videos on YouTube where they just talk about going to the DMV. No one talks about the behind the scenes, like what you do before going to the BMW. So I'm filming
Before going to the BMW.
before going to the DMV. No one talks about that process, so I'm filming the whole thing. And because of this, I've been kind of like going into cars and like, you know, doing some digging. Not that I'm gonna get a car anytime soon, but it's nice to have a little thing in the back of your head. But I really want, not for like my first car, but I just think this is a really nice car, a white BMW X3. Those are all the questions that we're gonna answer today.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week.